Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Fire HD 10 case is probably one of the most essential accessories you can buy for your tablet, offering crucial protection against drops, scratches, and everyday wear and tear, ensuring your device remains in pristine condition for longer. With a vast array of options available on Amazon, finding the perfect case that balances durability, style, and functionality can be a daunting task, but we're here to simplify that process for you today by diving deep into some of the top contenders. Number 5. FINTIE Folio Case for Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus. Introducing the FINTIE Folio Case, expertly crafted for your all-new Amazon Fire HD 10 and 10 Plus tablets. It offers premium protection with a sleek design. This case is specifically designed for the 13th 11th generation, 2023-2021 release, of both the Fire HD 10 and Fire HD 10 Plus models. It even supports wireless charging for the Plus version. Constructed with premium synthetic leather and a soft microfiber interior, it provides a snug, durable, and protective fit. Your device will be safe from scratches and minor impacts. Effortlessly transform the case into a horizontal viewing stand with its convenient flip capability. Perfect for watching videos or typing. Enjoy the smart auto sleep-wake feature activated by the built-in magnetic strip. It also includes a holder for your stylus, keeping it readily accessible. All features and controls are easily accessible, ensuring a seamless user experience. Choose from a variety of bright and fun colors to match your style. What we like. This case offers robust protection with a premium feel. It supports wireless charging and even includes a holder for your stylus. If you're looking for a sophisticated and functional case that keeps your accessories organized, this is the one for you. What people say. It fits great, provides protection, and looks great too. Love the sturdiness and smooth rounded edges. All the holes are in the right place for accessing camera, charging port, etc. Case is not slick, so easy to hang onto, and has an elastic band to hold a stylus. The open close on off feature works nicely and magnet seems sturdy and strong enough. Number 4. FINTIE Case for Amazon Fire HD 10 and HD 10 Plus, 2021. Introducing the FINTIE Case, perfectly designed for your Amazon Fire HD 10 and Fire HD 10 Plus tablets from the 2021 11th generation. It offers a sleek and protective solution for your device. Enjoy the convenience of wireless charging with the Fire HD 10 Plus model. This case fully supports charging when used with the Amazon wireless charging dock. Experience a simple, one-piece design that makes application a breeze. The front and back are integrated, ensuring a snug and secure fit without separation. Transform your tablet experience with the flip capability of the cover. It easily converts into a stable stand, perfect for both viewing content and typing comfortably. Crafted with a slim, lightweight, and durable hardback, this case provides robust protection. The premium PU leather exterior is complemented by a soft, scratch-free microfiber interior for added comfort and security. Stay powered up efficiently with the built-in magnetic strip. It automatically wakes your device when opened and puts it to sleep when closed, conserving battery life. Personalize your tablet with a variety of bright and fun color options. Choose the perfect shade to match your style and make your device stand out. What we like. Experience ultimate portability with this ultra-lightweight, one-piece case. Its slim profile and vibrant color options make it a stylish choice. If you prioritize a minimalist design and a wide range of aesthetic choices, this case is a fantastic option. What people say. The fit is exact and the Fire tablet is completely covered, protected, without obstructing the various controls or camera lens. The magnetic on-off switch works flawlessly. This case has a folding stand feature built-in that works but is not adjustable. The stand angle is usable while in a sitting posture and holds its position once you get it in place. Number 3. DICEKOO Fire HD 10 and Plus Kids Tablet Case. Introducing the DICEKOO Tablet Case, perfectly designed for your Fire HD 10 and Fire HD 10 Plus tablets. It's compatible with the 13th and 11th generations, released in 2023 and 2021. This case features a built-in foldable kickstand for convenient multi-angle viewing, perfect for watching movies or typing. The handle is specially designed for little hands, making it easy for children to carry. Enjoy seamless access to all your tablet's functions. All ports, speakers, cameras, and buttons are precisely aligned for easy use. Constructed from high-quality, shock-absorbing EVA material, it effectively protects your device from bumps, drops, dust, and scratches. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly convenient to carry anywhere, whether for home, school, or outdoor adventures. It's also a fantastic gift idea for children. What we like. Designed with little hands in mind, this case features a built-in handle and is made from shock-absorbent EVA material. It's perfect for protecting your tablet during adventures. If you need a durable and easy-to-carry case for children, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very ergonomic design. I absolutely love the handle. My neck is starting to feel better. It stands up either way. Nearly 90 degrees the one way and a nice slope the other. Case is durable, comes with built-in screen protector as well. Number 2. Amazon Fire HD 10 Tablet Cover, Charcoal Black. Designed by Amazon, this cover is made to perfectly fit your Fire HD 10 tablet. It offers ultimate protection for your device. Enjoy hands-free viewing with its slim design and built-in stand. It's convenient for watching videos or video calls. The full cover case features a magnetic closure to keep it securely shut. You'll still have easy access to all buttons, ports, and cameras. It automatically wakes your tablet when you open it and puts it to sleep when you close it. This helps conserve battery life. Crafted with premium fabric and a microfiber interior, it protects your screen and keeps it clean. It feels great in your hands too. This cover also supports wireless charging for the Fire HD 10 Plus tablet when used with a compatible charging station. Made with recycled plastics and fabric, it's an environmentally friendly choice. Even the packaging is made from responsibly managed wood fiber. What we like. This case is crafted by Amazon, ensuring a perfect fit and premium feel with eco-friendly materials. Its slim design includes a convenient built-in stand. If you value sustainability and a seamless integration with your device, this officially designed cover is ideal. What people say. This case is a perfect fit for the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet, providing excellent protection without adding too much bulk. The built-in stand is very convenient for hands-free viewing, and it holds the tablet securely in both landscape and portrait modes. All the ports and buttons are easily accessible with the case on, and the material feels durable and comfortable to hold. Number 1. MoKo Slim Folding Stand Cover for Kindle Fire HD 10. This case is specifically designed for the all-new Amazon Kindle Fire HD 10 and 10 Plus, 13th and 11th generations. Enjoy seamless access to all features and controls. Never worry about dropping your tablet again. The convenient hand strap provides a secure and comfortable grip for extended reading sessions. Find your perfect viewing position with 2 adjustable angles. Whether you're watching videos or typing, it frees your hands for other activities. The built-in magnetic strip automatically wakes your device when opened and puts it to sleep when closed. This helps protect and extend battery life. Crafted with a premium PU leather exterior and a soft microfiber interior, this case offers complete full-body protection for your device. What we like. Enjoy comfortable one-handed use with the convenient hand strap and versatile viewing angles this case provides. It offers complete protection for your tablet. If you often read on your tablet or need a secure grip, this case is designed for your convenience. What people say. This case fits like a glove. It opens like a book. My old one had to put tablet in upside down. This case turns the tablet on when I open. The case has all the right cutouts in all the right places. Love the elastic strap to keep it closed when in my purse and the strap on the back so I can hold it when reading my books. This case fits my new tablet perfectly. The color was good. It looks good and appears to be quality made. Buttons easily accessible, front and back cameras accessible. Screen protected when not in use. Stands for easy viewing and use. Hand strap for using while moving around. Looks great, not heavy, has a spot for a stylus pen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.